What are different types of gears and where they use? Gears are mechanical devices with teeth that mesh to transmit torque and rotational motion between the shafts. They come in various shape and configuration depending on their intended application, such as altering speed, torque, or direction of motion. Gears are crucial in mechanical systems for transmitting power effectively. Types of gear and their uses. Spur gear. Spur gears are the simplest and most common types of gear, with straight teeth mounted on parallel shaft. Uses. Used in applications requiring moderate speed and torque, such as conveyors, washing machines, and mechanical clocks. Helical gears. Helical gears have teeth cut at an angle to the axis of gear, which provide smoother and quieter operation compared to spur gears. Uses used in high speed applications like automotive transmissions and turbines, where quiet operation is required. Bevel gears. Bevel gears have conically shaped teeth and are used to transfer motion intersecting shafts, typically at right angles. Uses commonly found in different drives, handrails, and right angle drives in machinery. Worm gears. Worm gear consists of a worm, screw, that meshes with a worm wheel called gear. They provide a large reduction in speed and are known for their high torque output. Uses widely used in elevator, conveyor steam, turning system where hot torque is needed with speed reduction. Rack and pinion. The rack is a flat, straight gear, while pinion is a circular gear that meshes with a rack. Convert rotational motion into a linear motion. Uses commonly used in steering system of vehicle and linear actuator. Planetary gears. Planetary gear consists of central sun gear, planet gears that rotate around it, and a ring gear that encloses the planet. This setup provides high torque in compact design. Uses found in automatic transmission, electric screwdrivers, and some precision mechanism. High pod gears. Similar to beaver gears, but shafts are offset rather than intersecting. High-pod gears provide smoother operation and can handle higher load. Spiral bevel gears. These gears have curved teeth that meshes at an angle, providing quieter and smoother operation than straight bevel gears. Uses frequently used in high-performance vehicle and aircraft engines. Real-world applications of gear. Automotive industry. Gears are extensively used in transmission, differential, and steering system to ensure smooth and efficient power transfer. Industrial machinery. Heavy-duty machines like cranes, conveyors, and compressors uses gears to handle high torque and load requirements. Aerospace. High-performance gears are used in aircraft engine and landing gear system to ensure smooth and reliable operation. Robotics. Precision gears are crucial in robots for controlled movement and power transmission in small scale. Some of the common interview questions asked during the interview are as follow.